The User Profile Manager allows you to create, save, export and import the settings that control your drawing environment. You can create multiple user profiles that can then be imported and exported, so that BricsCAD will look and behave consistently across different systems. To open the User Profile Manager, type in Profile Manager in the command line. New user profiles are created using BricsCAD's default setup. Let's create a user profile. A new user profile now appears in the list. From here you can switch between profiles, import or export a profile, or create a new one. Let's now import a profile created by colleagues on another system, so we can use it in this instance. So we click on Import, and select the group profile. Once it's imported it will appear on the list, and we can apply it by selecting it, and clicking on Set Current. And this concludes our lesson on how to manage user profiles.